This is the new Smart by Parrot, full double DIN unit. We've got music, tuner, USB, SD card, iPod. We can control it by voice as well. Grace. Alcatraz. It's got navigation. You've also got phone. You can browse the contacts, or you can do voice control for the phone. In the applications, we've got email client, we've got speed camera detector, we've got internet browsing. There we go, there's the web. The unit's got Wi-Fi and can also get onto the internet via your smartphone. It's got Bluetooth connectivity. You can put in a reversing camera. All in all, very nice unit, and there will be more applications available to download.